Lighting Supply carries a large selection of Broan-NuTone aluminum grease replacement filters for range hoods. They're made from high-quality materials with an aluminum mesh interior and stainless steel frame to keep your range hood operating at peak performance. Aluminum grease filters are used in ducted range hoods. They're designed to prevent grease from entering the hood and assist with ventilating the air. These filters can be cleaned when needed, and the best way is to gently wash them with hot water and Dawn dish soap. When replacing, it is very important to make sure you choose the correct filter. Hoods that have missing or incorrectly sized filters can end up collecting highly combustible grease deposits throughout the entire system. You'll need to find a label, usually on the underside of your hood, that should list the hood series and part number for the required filter. You may need to remove the filter to find the label. Filters are not created to be interchangeable between models and cannot be determined by dimensions alone. Replacement filters can be confusing, but we're here to help. Search grease at lightingsupply.com or give our friendly customer service department a call today.